Hello. Today in this video we are going to demonstrate how the conservation of energy can be observed through a marble on a roller coaster. Using this we can determine how the energy transforms during different turns and loops and how it conserves itself through those turns.
So this is our starting point of the marble, and this starting point would give marble enough potential energy to complete this whole loop, because we set it up in such a way that the height of 65 centimeters would be more than enough to complete the whole loop. As you could see, the marble was able to complete the entire loop with just 65 centimeters.
So for now, we're going to take a look at the first section of our roller coaster, which is our drop point. When we release the marble at the top, it gains enough speed coming down for it to complete the loop. And here at the bottom, before we enter the loop, is where we see the most kinetic energy in our system. This is because of the gravity transforms our potential energy into kinetic energy, allowing it to go through our system.
Saying before how the marble was able to complete the entire loop, keeping in mind that it converts energy from potential to kinetic. Now we will specifically focus on the loop of the system. So the maximum potential energy we have is at the beginning, and then when the ball comes here, most of the energy is converted to kinetic energy. But once the ball reaches to the top of the loop, it again gains some height, which increases the overall potential energy and decreases the kinetic energy. Now this increase in potential energy would give an increase in the kinetic energy when it completes the loop. So if you observe when I drop the ball again, you would see it gains much more momentum after it completes the loop.
You might notice that the marble loses a lot of speed towards the roller coaster. And this also means that if we were to have a straight U shape, the marble wouldn't reach the top on the other side. This is because of the law of conservation of energy. There's a third type of energy within our system called thermal energy. And this energy dissipates the kinetic energy and gravitational energy when we go through. That's why if we were to try and drop it, you can see when it reaches the loop, it loses a lot of speed.
Books are put away. Chairs are off the table.
We would need to have some work done on the system, such as our hand bringing the marble back up to the top of the loop for it to reach the top.